Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Today I'm going to share with you another mouth-watering, delicious restaurant style recipe, that is Tawa Tikka Paneer. This is absolutely easy to make using very few ingredients that are readily available in your kitchen pantry, and it tastes heavenly. Trust me, your friends, family gonna love it, and you're going to make this recipe again and again, even for the occasional purposes. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now jump into the recipe and make Tawa Tikka Paneer. For that, here I have taken a bowl. Into that I am going to take 1 cup of dahi or yogurt. Here I am using homemade one. Next, whisk it thoroughly. Make sure the yogurt is nice and smooth. So whisk it for 5 minutes vigorously. Now it's smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. That's all it's required for prepare the marinade. Now whisk it together with the yogurt. It's already smelling just divine. It's done. Now I'm going to add some vegetables to it, the veggies that we use in paneer tikka. So here I'm using onion, tomato and green bell pepper or capsicum, 1 medium sized onion diced, half of capsicum diced, and 1 medium tomato that I have de-seeded and diced. Now mix it and coat all the vegetables with the marinade nicely. Next goes the star ingredient, that is paneer or cottage cheese. I am using 100 grams of it. I have cut them into bite-sized pieces like this. Now coat them with the marinade as well. I am using my hands. I have washed my hands beforehand. Now cover it and let it marinate it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes we are back. Now in a pan I have taken 2 tablespoons of butter. I don't have a large tawa, so I am using this frying pan. When the butter is nice and hot, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. As I was saying, typically the recipe is made on a tawa, but as I don't have that much large tawa at home, so I am using the frying pan. If you have large tawa, you can use that. And do this over very low flame. We are going to cook them over very low flame, otherwise it can burn the masala. Next goes the marinated vegetables and paneer. Then mix it with the chili butter and kasuri methi thoroughly. We don't need any more masalas or anything like that, just these things. Wasn't this a very healthy, easy peasy? After 5 minutes you will see that it will start to release some water, and in this water all the veggies will be cooked through. At this stage I am going to add some sugar. I am using 1 tablespoon of sugar to mellow down or cut down the tartness from the yogurt or dahi. Mix it. Next I am going to cook it for 5-6 minutes over low flame. After 5 minutes we're back, and as you can see, the gravy has turned a very bright red color and this looks delicious. Wasn't this a easy peasy recipe? This recipe is done now. All I need to do is just plate it up. So I'm going to remove it on a plate, and it goes very nice with some Indian bread like naan, roti, paratha, especially parathas, lacha parathas. This goes really well. I've served it with some fresh coriander sprig and a wedge of lemon. Do make this recipe for your friends, family and especially kids. They are going to love it. Do make this recipe in occasions and your guests will be wooed. So make this recipe and let me know in the comment section about their feedback. Don't forget to comment on the comment section below, because your feedbacks are very important for me. And also press the like button and share with your friend. And thank you.